Now here we have the finished job, and this one's been powder coated. I don't know how close, but you can see inside the B, on the A's, all the small little lettering. Because of the powder coating, it's been pretty well filled up with powder coat. So the what they use to coat it, and it's made the definition much less. But there it's come up what I'd consider as reasonably well. I don't like to give a complete and thorough coat for the simple reason this machine is damn near 80-90 years old. So we don't want it looking too Mickey Mouse. But as you can see there, it's really come up very well. And to me, I think that looks pretty authentic. So that's our method of actually restoring a Bendigo. So easy. Sewing machine. Built in Bendigo, Australia, 1923 to 1926. Enjoy. Thank you.